Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome to the Universe 3D channel, and today we are in Unity, and also welcome to Unity. This is my first Unity video. I think it's gonna be great, gonna be simple. I've used this engine for a lot of time now, like 4 weeks, kind of, yeah. So what I want to do today is I want to go and go in the FPS shooter and show you guys. I go to from level 0 to level 5. In level 0, that is the normal mode, and then I will add bots. So in level 1, I'll add 1 more. In level 2, I'll add 2 more. Also, I'll add some rooms and objectives for me to complete and make the game more interesting for me. So let's go in the game view right now. As you know, you're in the game view as well. You can also take some tips from this video. Also, if you need some help, just go to the side here. But I can do different stuff as well. So yeah, the comments are free. You can go use them. And yeah, so let's get started into the first level. Alright, so I'm just going to zoom in. Oh, what happened? Oh yeah, I just have to zoom in. And you just do that by shift and spacebar. And move your mouse like where you want to zoom into. So I put it on my game screen and I'm just gonna do that. Easy. Alright, so we're gonna start it right now. First off, you start with this really basic gun, and what you wanna do, yeah, you just wanna hover around and yeah, just wanna get some volume a bit higher, and yeah, you just kill enemies. Naturally there are only 2, but I thought this was gonna be too easy for me, as you can already see. And also, if you want to see the controls, just press the tab here and it will show you the controls for a controller and the keyboard. Also, yeah, so yeah, that's it. And you can sprint by holding shift and do cool stuff, right? Now this is a turret. It rapidly fires at you. My tongue, Jesus. Alright, it rapidly fires at you, and yeah, that's right. What the best technique I use is go to a corner where you can't shoot. Its bullets are too thick. Alright, yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna zoom out now, and yeah, so I've already done level 0. Let's go to scene and choose this hand over here, and now we can add more bots. At this stage, I really don't think I need to add more bots, so I really think I should just add a turret right in the middle, because I think that will be a bit challenging. Alright everyone, I have the turret right here, and I think this will be good. I think I can beat the turret. And yeah, let's just go shift in. Yep, thank you Unity. And yeah, let's press play. You can also add new weapons to get, and which I'm going to do later, because there's only 2 more weapons in here. So yeah. There we go. It's really easy. And I think, yep, there's another one up there, and he's gone. Oh, you can nearly shoot. And yeah, reloading takes time. It's really cool. You want me to do the one in the 2D Microgame? Drop it right here. I'll also make that a bit challenging. There's also the karting one, which I absolutely love. Alright, so now I just want to sprint here. Actually, I don't want to be a bit of a chicken. I just want to fight as a normal person does. Alright, I'm kind of losing control here. Let's reload. As you can see, I'm faster than this boss. And I'm going in front of it. I'm giving it a chance to kill me, but not good enough. Alright. This is level number 2. We've already done level 0, level 1, and yeah. So what I want to do is add a new room to this awesome thing. Alright, so what I want to do, I want to scroll down. First you open the FPS right here, right, and then you just press this button, and you get all the things you want to add. But you do have to I don't know what's happening. Alright, yeah, so you do have to use it in the scene view, because you can't place anything in the game view. I don't know what the asset store is. If some of you can just leave a comment down below, and then I'll know. Alright, so I want to add more rooms. So what I want to do is I want to add like levels. I think Yeah, oh, and a dungeon. A dungeon looks sick. Oh, we can make it like a maze as well. This is really cool. So I just want to like zoom in like a space right here. Oh my god. Yeah, right here. Alright, so I just want to go ahead and drag drop this. They made it too easy for us to do, you know. And it might have been a bit of a challenge. You need a bit of coding to put it in. To educate little kids. No. Okay, so what I want to do next is I want to add this right here. No, I want to add this right here. Oh my god. Alright. Kind of messing up here. Right, you know what? I'll do it. And here we go. I just want to place right here. Now I need to add 2 more enemies so I can fight it. Actually, we can add something more to this too. But I think that's fine. No, not too fancy. Put a turret right in the middle. And put a bot guarding the turret, and that will be kind of hard to beat. I believe it will be a bit hard, but this is level 3. Wait, it's level 3, so I have to add 1 more. I think I can beat another turret, everyone. I'm not a chicken. Alright, so gonna go in this game view again, gonna shift spacebar, and yeah, let's go. And hold up, okay, let's just not start right now. Let's just get eliminated first. I really think I should do a bit of a different change as well. Can you please kill me, sir? Thank you. And yeah, I just killed myself because I wanted to add something else. And yeah, so what I want to add, one more thing, is a weapon. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go right in the pickups, double click here, and now we can get a loot jetpack and 2 more guns. I think that gun is the most powerful one, so we're just gonna drag and drop a shotgun. Right, oh, sorry, basic mistakes, everyone does, hee. Alright, so this is the room we start in, put a pickup shotgun right here. I think I maybe needed 1 health, I think that's pretty fair. Where is it? I put 1 right here. No, I just put 1 right here. Where's it going? Alright, this is kind of getting me annoyed. Alright, so we'll just put 1 right here. And yeah, I will do it. And I think I'll go in my game view. And yeah, we'll just try playing this. I think I'm decent. I've actually bought like 20 bots and I've actually completed the game. This is a fun micro game. I think you should go test it out. I think I've made it a bit easy for me to get the shotgun. Oh, it's coming at me! Come on. So what you want to swip is like 2, 1, because I picked it up the second time. What I want to do... I can be a chicken right now. I really don't know if I should like... There we go. Of course. Shotguns are only good in low range. And oh wow, so shotguns do a lot of damage, as you can see already. That's a bit too much health points, but I'll take it anyway. How about let's just fight the guy in the basement? Hold up. Oh, that guy just started fighting. Oh, gonna give it a fair chance. Gonna keep swapping keys. Okay, gonna keep swapping. Yeah, that's what you wanna do. That's what you wanna do. And I think he's gone. Yay. Kind of sleep. The music is kind of getting on my nerves right now. I'm really not a professional gamer. Oh, I see. It's not sure. I think you can double click if you're fully reloaded. Yes, you can. Yep. Gonna keep swapping. Keep swapping. This one doesn't do much damage at all. And it's gone. I think that there's another turret right here. Oh, I added a bot right here. Oh, that got me. That got me nearly. I think we should get help. Without help right now, I'm kind of getting chickened out right now. Also, leave a like in the video if you want to try Danny's stuff. Really cool. Alright, all objectives completed. Boom, bam, boom, 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 pow. Alright, So now for the last gun, I will do it on level 5, I guess. Alright, so I'm in the scene view, and how many more bots? 4 more bots. Ah, you're getting me. Alright, so I want to add 4 more. Okay. I want to add some right here. I think this guy's pretty lonely. Kind of unfair for him, because everyone gets a friend. He doesn't get a friend because he's bad. No, I'm just kidding. He's a really good person. I got 1 right here, 2 right here. And I'm already added 2. You can add 2 more. I think I should make it a bit more challenging. I think I should add 2 turrets right in the middle. So I've already placed 4. Right, I'm already placed 4. And yeah, I think that will be fine. Let's give this guy a bit of hope of winning. This guy's bad. Alright, this is level 4. And yes, I really don't want to lose. In front of you guys, of course. I can edit it out, obviously. Alright, so I just want to zoom in, shift spacebar, that is, thank you, I don't want to see it. Alright, so I just want to start the game right now. Oh, whoa, what happened? Alright, I think we're going to start right now. It's going to take some time because there's too many AI bots. What? Huh. Oh, I nearly thought I was done for. Another one right there. I think I'm gonna wait and shoot that boy down. And he's gone as well. Who are you? Hopeless, of course. Does that even hurt him? I don't think it is. I've got to mute again. How much more? I'm not a professional. I'm using a keypad. There we go, he's done. How about let's go down. Yo, he just started shooting at me. Why did he move? Wait, okay, I can be a chicken right now. So I really can't be stopped, okay? There's 2 of them. It's really hard. Why is this guy dying? Oh, he's getting on me. Oh, come on, reload. Come on, faster. Thank you. Come on, sir. Let's get this first. Wait. Oh, 2 of them. Oh, I nearly died. I think I'm going to die. This is bad. Can't die on my YouTube channel, sir. Give me mercy. Professional gamer, by the way. No, I'm not a gamer. I'm a programmer. I'm really good at English. Just kidding, my English. I suck at English. How about we just go here? Oh. Right, I think he's really dead. How many more? Yep, and we're done. Yes. Now I think, because I'm gonna add how many more bots? 5 more bots. Well, let's do it. Okay, so I think I should add a little award for myself, sitting right at the basement. That's gonna be the loot jet pack. Everyone. Alright, so I'm just gonna go to pickups. What is this? PB objects. I really don't know. Alright, I'm just gonna go and put a pickup jet pack right there. And for our finale, the gun, everyone. So we're gonna add this gun, which is fine, nice. Okay, so we're gonna be right there. Now I'll have to add more enemies. Alright, 1, 2. I will regret this. 3. Let's just add some to the middle. I think the middle. 4. I think we should add like 1 more here, and I'm gonna be totally done for. Alright, that's it. That's 5 of them for you. Let's do this. I'm running out of time. Sorry for not uploading for a bit. I was kind of doing some things with this, as you can expect from me. Alright, yep, and we're gonna start any second. Alright, ooh, don't come at me, thanks. You can also add ramps to this, did you know? Stop being mean. Stop it! Alright, I haven't picked up the other gun yet. How much does this guy actually have? I'm so impressed. I'm not impressed. What the heck? Alright. I got my second gun right here. We have enough health, right? Oh. Now the last thing I would want to do is really get in trouble with 50 bots. Wait, did I place it up there? That is so bad. Oh. I can have no advantage in front of him right now. I can crouch. And woo! Let's go down. Let's go down. Let's heal up. Get a jetpack, I guess. No. You're not even so anything. Really, the shotgun doesn't do much damage from far away though. I got to use this gun. It's gone. That is no damage. Kind of, it does a bit. The shotgun does nothing. And yep, the shotgun's great. And he's gone. Let's surround our surroundings. I don't know how many bots I added. I think that's it. And let's pick up our reward. And we can fly like this now. Alright, I didn't take any fall damage. Switching between guns. Alright, well, I think I want to go right here. I don't really want to know for. Oh god. Oh my, alright. What's the bot coming from? Wait, they can go through walls? Huh. No, oh. A legend. Oh. There's one more. Not! Nearly died right there. Oh my, alright. Finish it off. And thank you for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed it, drop a like button. If you really enjoyed it, subscribe and notifications on. If you did both of those things, congratulations, do both of the things. And yeah, I will leave you up to that. And I will be doing more Unity videos after I learn how to use C# and languages and how to program for a bit. And don't worry, I'm gonna explain it really well. Alright, so thank you everyone, and this was Universe 3D, back at ya, peace.